Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to make a call to a contact. If you don't know how to add a contact, take a look in the description below where we show you how to add a contact to the Nokia 105. So first things first, you want to press the big button in the middle here and then press it again to bring up the menu. Then you want to come to the top here to select the contacts. Now you can either search out for a name or select the top one here where all your names are listed. And you want to come down to find a contact of choice. So we'll select Lee here. And then once you've brought up the contacts, you press the big button in the middle again and this will call that contact. If you want to end the call, you press that and that will end the call. So that is how to call a contact on the Nokia 105. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like button, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching. And if you want to learn more about the Nokia 105, then check out this playlist here.